Let's take a look at Unit 10. All right, Lesson 1, pages 264 to 270 in your grammar textbook. In this lesson, we will learn and we will practice gerunds as subjects and objects, and gerunds as objects of preposition. Okay? Let's begin though with gerunds as subjects and objects. So, first question, what is a gerund? So, a gerund is simply the ing form of a verb. Okay, so for example, running, driving, studying, playing. These are known as gerunds. It's the ing form of the verb. But gerunds are not verbs. They are used as nouns. They can be the subject or the object of a sentence. For example, as a subject, running is my favorite activity. As an object, I enjoy running. So as you see, we use the ing form called the gerund, not as a verb, but as a noun, okay? And we can use that gerund in the subject position or the object position. When a gerund is the subject, the verb is always in the third person singular. So it's incorrect to say, making new friends take time. We need third person singular S. So making new friends takes time. The gerund is making. And as I said, we always use third person singular. So running is, smoking is, okay? We always will use the third person form. Now, some verbs are followed by gerunds, okay? And you should learn these verbs, memorize these verbs. They're on page 266 of your grammar book. So these verbs are followed by gerunds. I'll give you some examples. Avoid. So the verb avoid is followed by a gerund. For example, they avoided answering the phone. Finish is followed by a gerund. So I have finished washing the dishes. And miss, we miss seeing you. Okay, so avoid, finish, miss, we use gerunds after these verbs. Same with do. Same with enjoy. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Okay, so after enjoy, we use the gerund, the ing form. To make it negative, you put not. So put not in front of a gerund to make it negative. So we considered not going to the party. Not eating junk food is a good way to get healthy. You might have heard also go plus gerunds, and we use these in many expressions about activities. So go camping, go hiking, go skiing, go swimming, go shopping, go dancing, okay? These are also good expressions for you to memorize. Okay, let's look at gerunds now as the object of a preposition. So a gerund or a gerund phrase can be the object of a preposition. Remember, the object of the preposition is the words that come after a preposition. So they're excited about going to Hawaii. So about is the preposition, and the object of the preposition is going to Hawaii. So we use the gerund after the preposition. They're excited about going to Hawaii. He's good at managing people. So after at, we use the gerund form, at managing people. And gerunds are used after many noun plus preposition combinations. So for example, they had a good reason for being late. So a good reason for. You should memorize that expression. A good reason for, and then any verb. We had a choice between taking the test on Monday or Tuesday. So a choice between, when you have a choice between, and then gerund. She is in danger of failing the class. So in danger of is an expression that you can use with gerunds. In danger of failing. So as I said, gerunds are used after many verb and preposition combinations. And if you look at page 267, you'll see more examples. I will give you a few. So she worries about finding a job after college. So worry about ing. Do you feel like seeing a movie tonight? Feel like. So after feel like, use a gerund. Feel like going, feel like eating, feel like seeing. I succeeded in not looking at my phone for 2 hours. So succeed in winning, succeed in going, succeed in buying, okay? After succeed in, use a gerund. Also, gerunds are used in adjective plus preposition combinations, and the verb be is usually used before the combination. And again, if you look at page 267, you'll see a more complete list. I will give you a few examples here. Is she sad about leaving? Sad about gerund. Sad about going, sad about leaving, sad about losing. I'm nervous about giving the presentation. Nervous about plus gerund. I'm tired of not feeling well. Tired of plus gerund. And you can use by plus a gerund to tell how something is done. I learned how to fix my bike. How? By watching a video. He improved his English. How? By practicing every day. Okay. That is our lesson on gerunds. Remember, gerunds are the ing form of a verb used as a noun. Okay, so please do your classwork now and turn it in on Canvas. Thank you.